You and I must have probably grown up listening to the fact that diabetes is something which is genetic. But well, today I've got with me somebody who's broken all of these myths for all of us, and that's none other than integrative nutritionist and health coach Neha Ranglani. Hi Neha.
Hi, Hesha.
First of all, I want to tell you this, that while we were chatting, you mentioned that you've actually reversed diabetes, and it was just 14th November when it was World Diabetes Day. It blew my mind actually, and that's precisely why I was like, we have to get chatting, and
Yeah.
that's what brings me here today, Neha. And I want to know, how is it that you made the impossible possible?
So first of all, Hesha, like you rightly said, everyone thinks diabetes is genetics. Mummy ko hai, mujhe bhi hoga. Papa ko hai, hoga. You know, that is basically not true. We all are carrying the genes for the issues that our ancestors have had. But your genes are very passive and they get triggered by the environment. So if genes is the gun, then environment pulls the trigger.
Correct.
Right? So because of that, what you're doing with your body, the way you're eating, the way you're sleeping, how well are you managing your stress, all of that decides whether a disease will manifest in you or no.
Okay.
So it's important to understand that we may have n number of genes for any problem. If we don't have the environment, we will not get that disease. A disease will only crop up when we give it that environment.
Basically, follow the thought, right? If you're feeding it,
Yes.
that's when you're going to get it.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. So that is one thing that definitely is a myth. And also another thing that people have to live with diabetes. So my mother lived with it, and if I get it, I also have to live with it. You know, take medicines and zindagi ki gaadi chalao. That is not what it is. Your diabetes is a sign that you need to change something. It's an imbalance.
Okay.
It is not a disease, it's a sign, it's a symptom which says that listen, something is going wrong inside, you need to correct your lifestyle, and then it can all come back to normal, and it does.
Okay.
Especially in type 2 diabetes, where the major factor that causes diabetes is your lifestyle, is your thoughts, is how bitter you are in life.
Oh, that's actually the reason to cause diabetes and not the sweetness of the sugar?
Absolutely. It's how
Oh.
resentful you are, how angry you are all the time, how unaccepting to your situations you are, when you're not digesting life, when you're just always resentful of things, the body's asking for help. And that's what happens. So your emotions, your food, your lifestyle plays a huge role in diabetes manifestation and in diabetes reversal as well.
So, Neha, I want to ask you, when you talk about diabetes manifestation, right? You expressed certain things that probably would lead to it. But what took me aback was the fact that there's a reversal process to
Yes.
it. Can you please throw some light on how did you achieve that, as far as your
Yes.
patients were concerned, and how is it that anybody out there who thinks that diabetes is something which cannot be ever replaced,
Yes.
something you have to live with, jo
Yes.
zindagi chalane wala thought you said. What's the funda behind it?
So first of all, when you get diabetes or when you get high blood sugar levels or your HbA1c comes high, HbA1c is your 3-month blood sugar management reading, which shows that for 3 months your sugars have not been well controlled. And if that's the case, you will immediately be put on medications. And obviously the importance is not given too much to your food and lifestyle as much as it should be given, because that is the cause.
Okay.
And people think that, okay, we are taking a medicine, we are taking a pill, so we are sorted. We can eat a few things sweet here or there, we can cheat here or there, and that medicine just goes on increasing, right? It from one dose to the other, from one pill to two, to two to three, and the medicine is not at all correcting or curing anything inside. It's just masking. So it's forcefully pushing your sugars to go down. So you think, wow, my sugars are in control. But that is not the cause. The cause is the inflammation. The cause is the insulin resistance, which happens not only because of sugar, but because of excess bad fats. Eating a lot of wrong kind of fats in your diet, a lot of maida, having alcohol, excessive consumption of tea, coffee, and doing stuff which really stresses out your body, like colas, sodas, not eating mindfully, gobbling down your food in a hurry. Lot of factors which actually play a role in causing that insulin resistance, which increases your sugar levels. So how can a pill correct all of that till you don't take charge of things?
True.
So the diabetes reversal that you're talking about, I would like to mention two cases which have happened. So one is I had an uncle who was 65-year-old come to me said that Neha, I was a diabetic. I am a diabetic for the last 35 years. So since he was 30, he was on insulin.
Oh, that's like my age.
Yeah, so
Wow.
he was on insulin from that time because his body was not responding, and the doctors put him on insulin. And he said, I'm just come here because I want to just improve my health, so that, you know, in future, like I'm aging now and I don't want to get more diseases. I said, fair enough, we could look at reversing it. So he was taken aback. He's like, I don't know if that's possible or no. I said, that's possible, but I need your cooperation. And it's been 6 months now that his doctor, he went last month to his doctor, and his doctor said, you need to get off the insulin, and he's come down to 2 medications a day.
Oh my god. After like having it for like
35
all
years.
those, yeah, 35
Yes.
years. Wow.
And he's come down to 2 pills a day, and in that also his sugars are very well balanced, because I'm like following up with him every week and checking his sugars and making sure that his sugars don't go haywire. And even when he's had a vacation and all, his sugars have just gone like up and down, like normally it would go for anyone, and he's off his insulin. And when he told me that, he was so happy. He's like, Neha, this is unimaginable, and that can happen.
Yeah.
And then I had another client who was 31 years old who came to me, and he had high blood sugar, high blood pressure, cholesterol, lipid profile deranged, and the mother was really weeping, and she's like, you know, just help my son. And I was like, why? What happened? She's like, because I lost my other son who was 32 6 years back, the elder son, with these issues. So I don't want to lose my younger son.
Yeah.
I said, fair enough, I can understand where your fears are coming from.
Absolutely.
And I said, don't worry. In 2 weeks, Kesha, I am not exaggerating. In 2 weeks, his doctor got him off his medications.
Oh my god, that's absolutely unbelievable.
Yes, in 2 weeks. And he messaged me. I have his messages right now. He messaged me. He's like, Neha, I am so surprised. How can this happen? I said, it's just your effort. You're just eating correct, living in the right frame of mind, and your body is doing the right thing. So
I
this
think-
is possible.
Yeah, like you cited 2 very extreme cases, and of course very different age groups
Yes,
altogether. I think
yes.
which for everybody who's watching us, probably they can understand that, you know, case by case, of course this is something that can be reversed
Yes.
and well treated.